Hi guys, welcome to our college YouTube channel and also welcome to all of you in our next session of bridge course in accounting. First of all, we are going to revise what we learned in the first session. In first session, we saw what is the meaning of bookkeeping, features of bookkeeping, meaning and definition of accounting, features and advantages of accounting, difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Today, in this session, we are going to study the process of accounting. Okay, it is also called as cycle of accounting. So, we are going to start our second session of bridge course in accounting. Okay, we are talking about accounting cycle, or it is also called as accounting procedure. Yes, you are students of commerce. All of you know about the process of accounting. Once again, we seen that what is the cycle or what is the steps in accounting procedure. It is started with identification of transactions. First, we are know to understand the transactions. There has been three types of transactions: monetary, non-monetary, and barter transactions. In accounting, we are record only monetary transactions. Monetary transactions means the transactions which is having a money's worth. Means non-monetary transactions are ignored in accounting. And barter transactions, when ancient times there has been no money in existence, at that time transactions are takes place between goods to goods or services to services. It is called as barter systems. Okay, first we are know to understand is there is been monetary transactions or not. If it is monetary, then next step is the recording of transactions in journal. Okay, all of you know that the second step, when we are going to identify our transactions, then we need to record it in the books of journal. Okay, it is also called as journal entries. Okay, for the purpose of journal entries, we are need to understand the basic rules and types of account. In our next video, we are going to learn different types of account, different rules of that particular accounts, etc. Okay, first of all, we are going to know the identification of transaction, either it is monetary or not. Then after we are going to record it in the journal book. Then after we are going to post it into the ledger. Ledger account means it is an individual account which can be prepared for the purpose to know the individual account's balance. After posting into ledger, we are going to prepare our trial balance. Trial balance is the summary of a summary book of all account balances, either it is credit or debit. Then after passing of adjustment entries, if there has been any adjustment entries, we can pass it. And then after, we are going to prepare our final accounts. Final accounts includes trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Trading account gives us gross profit or gross loss. P&L account or the profit and loss account gives us net profit or net loss, and then after finally we are prepared balance sheet which shows financial position of the business. This is all about our accounting cycle, which is started with identification of transactions and ended with preparation of final accounts. Okay, next point is objectives. Why we are going to prepare or why we are going to done the work of accounting. The basic most important are objectives of accounting is maintain a permanent record, measurement of outcome, creditworthiness, efficient use of resources, and projections. Means what? Accounting made permanent record or permanent records of book to know our financial position or to know how to improve our operations. Then after measurement of outcome, whatever we are going to produce in our organization, we are need to know what is the outcome we get from these production activities. Also credit worthiness, whatever we are sold on credit, we also know the credit worthiness, how many goods we are sold on credit basis. Then after efficient use of resources, because of accounting, we can use our resources, land, labor, capital effectively manner. And then after lastly projections, we can predict our future policies or take your future decisions. This is all about objectives of accounting. Next and most important part, as we see, we can prepare final accounts. Why we are going to prepare these final accounts? Anyone having any kind of idea? The main purpose behind this preparation of final accounts are to the users who are interested in our statements. Such peoples or such organizations can use our statement for their decision making. For example, in broadly, I can say that there has been two types of users of accounting information. First one is internal users and another one is external users. Internal users means the people or the persons who are inside the organizations is called internal users, and they can use our accounting statement for decision making. For example, our owner, board of directors, managers, employees, such kind of peoples are inside the organization and who needed our accounting statement to know the actual position of the business or to take remedial actions to improve this. Okay, this one is called as internal users, and another one is external users. For example, the external users, who is the external users? External users are those who are outside the organization but still they are interested in our accounting statement. For example, shareholders. Shareholders can take our shares with the help of these statements. Such statement help him to decide whether they are going to invest in our organization or not. Creditors. Creditors means who is the supplier of raw material. We can purchase our raw material. Supplier can see in our statements, financial statement, trading account, P&L account, balance sheet, and then after he is going to decide whether they can supply us or not. Workers, employees, government. Government also can decide their taxes with the help of our financial statement. Researchers. Researchers can also use our statement to make a research on a particular topic. Okay, this is all about our users of accounting, or you can also say that interested parties in our accounting statement. There has been two type of users, internal and external. Okay, this is all about users of accounting. Then branches of accounting. Okay, there has been different branches of accounting. Each and every year of our graduation, we can see each and every branch. In first year, we are going to study financial accounting. In second year, we are going to study cost accounting, and last year we are going to study management accounting. Only these branches of three branches of accounting we are going to cover in this upcoming 3 years. Okay, then after another branches are human resource accounting, responsibility accounting, inflation accounting, forensic accounting, and so on. I'm just talking about these three branches of accounting. In financial accounting, we are going to see the actually financial accounting means the accounting which can be done to know our financial position, or in short we can say that financial accounting is nothing but it is a system of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing the monetary transactions. In cost accounting, we are going to record all the cost incurred for a particular produce a particular product or job. And in management accounting, we can done the accounting for the purpose of providing information to the management. It's called management accounting. This is all about branches of accounting. In human resource accounting, we are going to record all the transaction related to human. In responsibility accounting, we are going to record, or we can delegate the responsibility to different persons or different managers or different level of management. In inflation accounting, we are record the inflation rate of economy, and in forensic accounting, we can record all the forensic transactions in forensic accounting. This is all about branches of accounting. Then after, advantages of accounting. Okay, all of you know there has been many advantages of accounting, like here some advantages are displayed. First one is evidence court. Accounting help to provide evidences in the court. In such case, such manner, in such cases, we can need this accounting information as a evidence. That's why this is the first and most important advantage of accounting. Second one is settlement of taxation liability. Because of accounting, we can know how much tax we are going to pay to the government. Third one is comparative study. Our accounting statement are useful to make a comparison with our past data or our competitive or our rivalry companies. Next one is fourth one, sale of business. At the time of selling of business, we are know to our assets, liability. That's why our balance sheet help us for the selling of our business. Next one, assistance to the insolvent person. If our organization going to insolvent means our liabilities are more than our assets. At that time, we are going to close our organization. At that time, our accounting help us or assist us in this situation. Next one, assistance to various parties. Like I said, interested parties, internal and external, who is assist with the help of our accounting information. Next one is facilitates in raising loans. Our accounting statement or accounting useful in the case of raising loans. Loans, which type of loans were required, long term, short term, which type of capital structure were required, like composition of equity share capital, preference share capital, debentures. Such type of decision we can take with the help of our accounting. Next one, assistance to the government. Our accounting information also assists to the government to collect tax from us. And last one is facilitate control over assets. We can control on our assets. Assets means our property, fixed asset, current asset, we can control on it. Okay, this is all about advantages of accounting. Okay, this is all about today's second session. In this session, we learned what we learned today. We have learned first of all cycle of accounting, or in short we can say that process of accounting. Then after, users of accounting information, or we can say that interested parties in accounting information, objectives of accounting, and advantages of accounting. This is all about today's session. Thank you for all of you to join this session. In next video we can see remaining parts. Okay, now we are going to conclude here. Thank you so much.